Fuck them hoes. Pull up with my minute.
Okay, so I'm cooking and I'm watching Power. So I'm gonna go ahead and dump these onions in. Hold on. I dumped them onions in, as y'all can see. Alright, that look like made a difference. So as y'all can see, I dumped them in. I'm just gonna. So yeah, I'm watching Power.
Subscribe to my channel before you leave. Subscribe.
Orange, y'all. I don't know why. Get out of there! Put that back! Like that. And I'll be back. Okay, so I added my meat and I seasoned my stuff. And I just let it cook. I'm letting it cook. And while that's cooking, I'm cleaning up.
Welcome to the channel.
Go ahead, say it.
Welcome to the channel. I need some ice.
I'm gonna let that cook down, and I'm just gonna clean up my kitchen while that's cooking. And while that's cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and preheat my oven. So we're gonna go to bake, and I'm gonna put it at 350. Okay, so the meat is done. I'm gonna stuff them. I'm gonna stuff the peppers. Okay, so they're all stuffed. Now we're gonna place them in the oven for about 30 minutes to an hour. So we're gonna cook time, and we're gonna do 30. Start. So. Okay, so that's gonna cook. I'm gonna finish washing up these dishes, clean out the kitchen. I'm gonna sweep it, and hopefully by the time that's done, I can come back and add the cheese on top, and then cook that for another 5 minutes. And I got a 3-day, cause y'all know I only eat once a day now. I'm gonna only eat once a day now for 30 days and see what that does to me on keto. Get that out your mouth! Excuse me, child. My daughter got a pack of the hot sauce. Okay, so I took the out. Some of it spilled there and stuff, but I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna drink jack cheese on top, and I'm gonna put it back in the oven for about 12 minutes. Something like that.
That's what touched me.
Put it back in there. Okay, guys, so this is the end result of my keto stuffed bell peppers. Thank you guys for staying to the end of this video. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know what else you guys would like to see from me. And once again, thank you.